Hey team, max effort lower body workout for you. Dumbbell RDLs, okay, 4 sets of 25, wide stance, banded crunches, 4 sets of 25, and kettlebell swings. Working for 60 seconds on the kettlebell swing rather than 25 reps. Should be pretty similar. Remember that RPE 4 out of 10, remember that circuit. We want 12 to 14 minutes of work there. Setting us up for our main lift, max effort lower, we're deadlifting today. We've got a conventional deadlift, so narrow stance, hands are outside legs. We are building to a 5 RM, okay, in 6 sets. If you have straps, you want to use straps, that's fine. You can mix your grip, hook grip, whatever your strongest is. Supersetting our deadlift with a broad jump, 2 rep broad jump. So 5 deadlifts, 2 reps on the broad jump, increase the weight obviously on the deadlift, okay, work up to that 5 RM. Technical failure as always, no spinal rounding. Make sure your form is spot on. With the broad jumps, stick the landing, okay, really explode. Remember the broad jump, we want maximal distance, so you need to get some height in there as well, and you stick the landing under control every time. A couple minutes rest after the broad jump, and then you're back to your next set of deadlift, obviously having added weight. Accessory work, we've got 3 movements: a seated barbell good morning for 5 reps, a dumbbell reverse lunge for 5 reps each leg, and a seated banded hamstring curl for 60 seconds. 4 sets of that accessory work. The barbell good mornings, we're looking for 5 reps, and we are adding weight every set, so essentially building to a heavy 5. The dumbbell reverse lunge, also increase the weight each set. That last set should be really tough. And then the hamstring curls, you maintain the band, make sure you can work continuously for 60 seconds with whatever band tension you choose. Your final piece there, a little bit of just bulletproofing work. We've got a knee over toe split squat. So we're looking for hip flexion and hip extension. Hip flexion on the front leg, knee flexion, ankle flexion, all on that front leg. Hip extension on that back leg. 3 sets of 5 on each side. I want you to add some dumbbells to that today. So you're holding the dumbbells at your sides like a farmer's carry. And the goal is not to be maxing out the weight. It's just to allow you to feel a deeper stretch. Might only take a couple of kilos in each hand. But that'll allow you to get deeper into the stretch than you normally do. You're going to superset your split squats with Nordics. Okay, if you have a partner, get someone to anchor you. If you have a Nordic bench or somewhere to anchor your feet, you can do it solo. You've got 5 reps. Make sure you're fighting for every inch or every centimeter on that descent. And if you can, give yourself a little push off the floor and curl yourself up back with your hamstrings. Obviously, if you're really advanced on these and you can just pull yourself up with no push, or maybe even just hover over the floor, then do that. But most of us are really fighting on the descent to get the most out of the eccentric, and then help ourselves up a little bit with some upper body push as we curl, and use that to curl back up with our hammies. That's it for your max effort lower body this week. Enjoy that one, team. I'll see you next time.